Hello, guys. Carlos speaking. And actually, most of people, relatives, my parents, and my friends call me Cadu. My name is Carlos Eduardo. I'm 28 years old. I'm from São José dos Campos, São Paulo. And I'm a father of a little girl of 3 years old. I live with her and my wife, uh, which calls Annie. I work in an aircraft company. I'm a mechanical engineer. I was educated at TEP Faculdades, a private university of my city. And I'm very interested in English. And one of the reasons it's for my daily work. We are always in touch with foreign people. Uh, to be more specific, people from Hampton Beach, California, where my company has another facility. So I'm always trying to improve my English. My works uh, needs that, but also one of other reasons that I want to improve my English is to know about some news in first hand, to read novels in original language. English is a worldwide language. I know that. So improve my English, be clear enough in my pronunciation, and to express myself, my thoughts, my ideas, my feelings, whatever. And it's very important to me. So I really trust in you guys, in your philosophy of work, and this focus on pronunciation and how to understand better, listen better English. I've already studied English for about 3 years in a conservative, I don't know, school, which they used Callan method. So I was obliged to always speak, but sometimes not created a new phrase or express myself freely. So my main reason here is to create my own thoughts and feel free and confident to express myself. So guys, thank you. I'm very excited. And I've been meaning to subscribe in this course for a while, but now it's the time. So is that for now? Bye bye. See you then.